Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit that like button because you're gonna like this video anyway. So let's get into it. So this video is going to be a review and try on of a product that I got from Tomoson. So what is Tomoson? So Tomoson is basically a platform where you can advertise and review products that promoters put their products there that they want reviewed and people to try to give their honest review, good or bad, it doesn't matter. They want you to give your honest opinion on the product, and it's good for small influencers. So that's why I decided to try them out, see what the products that they have, and you can get things for discounted prices, or people can reach out to you as like you get bigger, and you can get products for free, and in return you have to give an honest review. So that can mean you can give an honest review on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, wherever you have your platforms. You can give your honest review on there, and I believe they rate you after. I'm not sure because this is my first time with them. So they have a lot of different products, but you want to make sure that you get products that relate to your channel. So they have products like coffee makers and things to use at home. If your channel is not about that, or your Instagram or whatever social media platform that you use in your audience is not for that, don't get that. Don't just get any product. Get something that's useful to you and useful to what you're making your brand and your page about. So that's what Tomoson is. So let's get into the product. Okay, so the product that I got was a little eyeshadow palette, and this is the box that it came in. It's very cute, and it really like fits into the box. As you can see, it really fits into the box. Okay. So this is the front of the palette. So I'm going to open it. I'm going to show you guys. Alright, so this is the palette. It has 9 colors. The colors, this palette is called Tulips. They're supposed to be highly pigmented, so I just want to show you a close-up. So as you can see, it has like a white color. Put it back a little bit because the brightness is like all up on it. Has a white color, has like a yellow color, pinkish. You have some shimmery colors, purple, blue. I guess that's like a brownish orange. A dark type burgundy, and then you have a burgundy. So this is the palette. So that's the first color. That's the second color. Do you guys see it? The pink. So far that's the white, the yellow, and the pink, the top row. That's the glitter, the burgundy glitter. That's the purple. This is like a bluish periwinkle blue. Well, at least that's what it looks like to me, but to you it probably looks light blue. So the yellow, this one, is not really showing on my hand. I guess I'm too dark for it. That is the so that reminds me of the Soulless eyeshadow color from Urban Decay. That's, well, at least that's what it looks like to me. You can see it there. Sorry about that. No, it's not really my fault. It's the people outside. And then this is the last color. So they're very, I consider they are highly pigmented. Like, as you can see, some of the colors show more than the other colors. There you go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try a look for you with this eyeshadow palette so that you can see how it looks on me. Alright, so I'm going to start off with this color right here. So I put that color up to my brow bone, and then I'm gonna go on top of that. I'm gonna try out the pink, see how that goes. So it doesn't really look pink on camera. Maybe, I mean, maybe you can see the pink, I don't know, but I can't really see the pink on the camera, maybe because it's really bright in my face right now. This, I have my mirror here. So then I'm going to put some of the glittery color in the front to give it like some sparkle. Okay, so this is the look that I made with this palette. Honestly, I do like it. I like the pigment. I like how the colors blend together, and I'm really feeling this sparkle, like the sparkle color. It really it gave it like a pop, like it made the look pop in my opinion. So I'm gonna honestly say that this is a pretty good palette. Like, honestly, like, I don't see anything wrong with it. It's not too cakey. It is pigmented in my opinion. And yeah, so I will definitely leave the link below for this. I'm not disappointed. And it's not expensive at all. When you go and you see that it's not expensive, you'll be like, oh, it's not expensive. Just like I said, it's not expensive. And it has really good colors. And they don't only have this palette. So there's other palettes that is also with the that company. This is from sorry, I didn't mention this before. I got this from Amazon at a discounted price. And they have other shades. So you can look through them and see which one you like. Maybe this one doesn't cater to you, but I like my dark color, so that's why I got this one. But give it a look through, see if you like it. Like I said, this is it. I'll definitely post a picture on my Twitter and Instagram and Facebook so that you can actually see it more. Right now it's Ah, there you go. All I need to do is take the light off. Oh, scary. But yes, so I've definitely put a picture so you can see it more. So this is the look. This is what I am working with. If you like it, definitely get it. It's not expensive at all. If you need like a quick palette on the go, definitely this is your palette. Because I know, well, for me, I have very big palettes and I can't just go randomly taking in all my palettes if I need a quick palette to go. So this is definitely a quick to go palette if you're like going to someone's house, going to your friend's house, going to your boyfriend's house, whatever, and you just need like a quick palette to take that has colors that you want that will go with almost everything. Definitely this is a palette to go. Like I said, they have different colors, so if you don't like this palette, that's fine. You can get another other shades that caters to you. So yes, so I like it. So yeah, that's it. So I will see you next time. Bye.